Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson with this week's trade theory on Tuesday, September the 16th. Is it the 16th? Yes, the 16th, 2025. I'm going to run through these real quick. There's not a lot to speak about. I do want to look at the Bitcoin chart here because I had a sell hypothesis on here and set my stop loss here. And I realized once I put that on that my hypothesis should have likely been a little bit above here, but nevertheless, I got stopped out. I still believe the price is going to drop at least back down to the roughly 112, 390 area, a little bit below there. So, so if you're taking this trade and use those parameters, you would have been stopped out of the Bitcoin trade. But it does look like it's going to pull back and then maybe give you another entry long at some point, but not today. Looks like it's going to be bearish today. So I'll be mindful that price will probably drop on Bitcoin today or over the next couple of days. All right, moving on to WTI crude. Price has not quite hit that third target level, so there's some serious resistance there. But price is, still not moving north in a significant way as well. I still have the max pullback point up here, roughly the 64.97 area. So we'll continue to watch that and see what price wants to do with oil. We're going to move on to gold. Gold is continuing to go higher. I don't have anything on gold except for a possible reset point, roughly around the 35.37 area, 35.38. Maybe price will pull back at some point over the next couple of weeks, but it's still heavily bullish, even as the markets have been bullish. And so going out to the US 30, the Dow Jones, we had that buy hypothesis here where price shot up pretty well. Now it's pulling back, and we have a take profit price set back on the 2nd of September of roughly 40, actually a little bit more than that, 46.917.11. And so we'll just continue to watch that off of this pullback today and see if price continues higher or not, or if it breaks down. Okay, looking at the NASDAQ, we have a price hit our take profit that we set back around the 2nd of September, and it's blown through there now. So price may reset at some point. We'll watch for that, but it's still bullish. And then wrapping up with the S&P 500 here, price actually hit our take profit here as well for my trades. So we've gotten at least 2 out of the 3 trades that we put on last week or a couple weeks ago would have hit. So the S&P actually gave us profits off of that as well. And I'm expecting a pullback and a reset off of these highs also. So be mindful. The indices have been continuing to rise, and they are set to continue to rise for the foreseeable future. But what that also means is that price will pull back, and it normally entails about a week of dips and drops. So it sets you back up for another stronger push higher. So just don't get discouraged when the market drops. I fully expect over the next week, the next 7 to 14 days, that the market will probably drop. I don't know how far, but it'll drop enough to make you take notice. So don't be concerned. Just know that that's a part of the process. All right. Hope you have a wonderful trading week. And until next time, enjoy the day and happy trading.